Okay, so we just learned about this tool here, which is the ripple edit tool. If we click and hold, there's this next one down here, which is the rolling edit tool. And what this allows us to do is if we click over top of an edit point, like right here, and I drag, you'll see that now I'm moving that edit point. So I'm kind of subtracting from one clip and adding to another. And this allows me to maybe find a place where maybe I want to find that action a little bit nicer. So let's say right when the spoon starts to tip, I can use that. And now we get a better idea of that. Same thing here. We can just click over here and we can find that area where the two cuts work a little bit better. That's using the rolling edit tool here, or you can do that by pressing the N key with no options. In the next section, we're going to talk about the audio here and how to fix that.